My name is Joseph Brutus, and I'm the General Manager for Handyman of America. We service the whole building envelope. We're NATE certified on oil service as well as in gas service. We do oil to gas conversions, and today we're going to be talking about this chiller. Oh, by the way, we're also indoor air quality certified as well as lead safe certified, among others. Regarding this chiller is about, I would say, circa 1983. It's in its purest mechanical form. There's no electronics in it, and so it's a good place to start to learn about the chiller. Thank you. And so the discharge comes out of the compressor through a muffler all the way up to where it goes up into the condensers located up in the rooftop. This machine uses 2 condensers, and from there it gets cooled back into liquid. It comes down in this smaller pipe, which is the liquid pipe, and so it goes into this filter dryer. From this filter dryer it goes into a TXV, and where it chills the water, and from there comes out through the suction side of it, and here we go, back to the suction input of the compressor. This chiller contains 2 circuits, 2 compressors each for each circuit. And here's a look at the control panel. It's got compressor 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 being on right now. This unit is controlled, its timing is controlled by cams. It's got a motor on it that resets all the cams at the proper position whenever power is disengaged. Initially, this compressor had to be replaced for whatever reason, I don't know. And the people that replaced it after it broke down again didn't want to tackle the job again, and so we were called to take care of it. This compressor is about 600 pounds in weight, and so it has to be slipped in properly because there's very little space in here. When we got here, the unit was stripping its breaker, and then we find out that the contactor is one of the leads in the contactor is welded, and also there was no crankcase heater. It's missing the crankcase heater. The crankcase heater heats up the oil so that liquid refrigerant doesn't accumulate inside the compressor. As you know, liquid refrigerant cannot be compressed, so it's very dangerous for the compressor not to have this oil heater. As a matter of fact, the manual states that if the compressor is off more than 8 hours, you need to heat this oil for at least 24 hours before firing it up. And here we are up on the rooftop, and we have 2 condensers attached to that chiller downstairs. And so here is condenser 1 for one of the circuits, and here is condenser number 2 for the circuit that we're working on. We're going to be shutting off the refrigerant coming in downstairs. We're going to isolate through this valve, and so here we go. We're going to shut it off. We want to